what takes the essence of their output would be the result of the surveys, which would show that most of the Filipinos are contented, and the people's choices are there. So whether or not tama o mali yung ginagawa nila.
Ito ang naging sagot ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa kanyang programang Gikan sa Masa para sa Masa sa SMNI nitong Lunes, ika-6 ng Nobyembre, matapos itong matanong patungkol sa survey results ng Tugon sa Masa na isinagawa ng Octa Research para sa third quarter ngayong 2023. Sa nasabing survey, makikita na si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ay nakakuha ng 73% trust rating mula sa dating 75%. Gayon din, bumaba ang trust rating ni Vice President Sara Duterte mula sa 83% hanggang 75%. Samantala para naman kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez, tumaas ang trust rating ng nasabing opisyal mula 54% hanggang 60%. Kung ikukumpara naman ito sa nakaraang taon, malaki ang itinaas ng trust rating ni Romualdez mula 38% hanggang 60%. Noong hiningi naman ni Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy ang grado ng dating Pangulo para sa kasalukuyang administrasyon, ito ang naging tugon.
Just to have a visual in scale of 1 to 10, maybe the administration is performing like 6. 6 and 1/2.
At least
Pero wala pa siya sa hindi pa umama. I hope that magpunta ng 7-8. Not really specifically 10 for any person there or even the president, but for the Filipino. Because at the end of the day, the biggest loser would be the people of the Republic of the Philippines. Any failure, for that matter, by the president or by our institutions like Congress and Supreme Court, people will suffer.
Nilinaw ni dating Pangulong Duterte na ang kanyang pahayag ay hindi para sirain si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Anya, ikaliligayan niya kung magiging pinakamahusay na Pangulo si PBBM. Samantala, muling nanawagan si FPRRD na magtulungan ng taong bayan para sa ikabubuti ng Pilipinas.
Remember guys, remember Mr. President that I'm here just to say a few things to correct. Just little errors. Hindi naman malaki. I'm not here to destroy you. You are no longer a candidate, you are a working president, and wala naman akong ambisyon. Before your term ends, baka patay na ako, matanda na ako. Magtulungan na lang tayo. And when I say that with sincerity that hindi naman good, Mr. President, fairly good. So improve on it. Maybe the next time that I would sit here to talk to the nation, you'd be making it good, and then I'd be happy if you strive to go the next step, which is very good. And if you reach the pinnacle of the best president, then I would be the happiest person on earth. At least meron tayong presidente naging best president.
Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kong mahal, ako si Sara Santos, SMNI News.